Okay, this is funny. First of all, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. You know what to do. It'll notify you every time I put up a new video, all right? Now, let me explain the story behind this video. First of all, I'd like to start off telling you that this video is very bad for you. Very, very bad. It's very, very, very... But did I already say that? All right, anyway. We watched this being made on TikTok. I used to not be a TikTok fiend. Everybody seems to be. But I watched this video. It looked cool. That was pretty cool. And then Tammy watched the video, and then we watched it again and again. She's like, this would be great to take to the office for the holiday season. And I'm like, okay, yeah, that everybody could party on these things, right? That's where this came from. So this was a TikTok video. I'm trying it out. We're going to make it, and we're going to give it out to Tammy's coworkers, and we'll let you know how that goes. We'll probably keep one here to try and let you know if it was successful. But in the meantime, the rest of this is going out of our house so we don't snack on this stuff. When you see the video, you'll know what I'm talking about. All right? So guys, come on in close and I'll show you all the ingredients. Okay guys, here are all the ingredients. We have cocktail peanuts. One of these is salted, one's not salted, but they're peanuts and they're roasted, dry roasted. We've got chocolate chips. We've got milk chocolate bar, baking bar. Got almond bark. If you don't know what almond bark is, it melts really quick. Like in the microwave, it takes 1 minute, and you can dip things in it, and it will chocolate coat a banana or strawberries or whatever. That's what almond bark usually is for. And then we got, okay, the only change we made from the TikTok video was this bag right here, because it showed Reese's Pieces, but Tammy doesn't like Reese's Pieces. So this is more of like a Tammy TikTok video on YouTube. So she said, hey, if we put caramel in there, then it will be more like a turtle. So I'm like, I don't know what turtles are. But anyway, she knows what turtles are. I trust her, and we're going to show you the order and how it is, all right? Let's get into this. You ready? We're going to take our cocktail peanuts first, put them in here. So those are cocktail peanuts. And by the way, I've already turned this on low. So put your crock pot on low, okay? Here is the unsalted peanuts. Put those in there. Here is the salted dry roasted peanuts. Now for me, just put your hand in here and mix them up, because I want all my peanut, different variations in here, blended nicely, and it's better to do it dry at first. Okay, they're all, now this way every candy will have kind of a nice mixture, okay? So we got our peanuts in there. Then we're gonna put our chocolate chips in there. Then we're gonna put our caramel or caramel or however you pronounce it. Put that all in there. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my, flatten this out a little bit. There we go. This is a chocolate baking bar. We're putting that in there. Recipe should be down below for you. Got that in there. All right. And then we're going to top it all off with, this is the almond bark. It's funny, when they were doing the TikTok video, they all said, is that butter? Is that butter? That'd be awesome if butter was in there, but we're not going to put butter in there. I thought it would have been good with butter. It would have been creamier with butter, but we're not doing butter. So
It won't become solid though.
What?
It won't become solid with butter.
Yeah, if we put butter in, it thins it out too much, and it doesn't solidify like you need it to. So we've got our almond bark in there. We've got everything in there. We're done. So now grab your lid. Let me get it. Okay. Here's the key. On low for 2 hours. but every 15 minutes, check it and stir it. I don't care if it's not melting yet, stir it anyway. Keep stirring it because some people have not stirred it frequent enough, and I'm thinking every 15 minutes. And some people were reporting that some of the chocolate was burning and all that stuff. So every 15 minutes, stir it. You're good to go. And it's all in there. We're done. And now I want you, while this is on low for 2 hours, go find like a small cookie scoop or an ice cream scoop, and we'll show you the next step. All right, guys, first 15 minutes. I'm not going to show you every time I stir it, but I'm just giving you a reminder every 15 minutes. Kind of, it's all starting to get a little warm in here. Just move things around. You can see some along the edges is melting. So I'm going to work this in and close it back up for the next 15 minutes. So we're right about the 2 hour mark on low. You can see how it looks right there. We've been stirring and stirring and stirring. So now we're going to take you to the next step. We're going to move it to the side. We're going to bring a cookie sheet out with silicone on it so it won't stick. So we can let these cool, these clusters. We'll show you how to do it in a minute. All right, so we got a little tiny cookie scooper. We're going to start grabbing. This makes a lot, by the way, we're told. So this is how we're going to do it. Just put little clumps. If you have one of these silicone mats, you should have circles for cookies. And just going to keep doing that till you're all out. So we use the scooper. We set them all out like that. We stuck them in the freezer for 20, 30 minutes. Look how beautiful this is. Look at that. That look gorgeous. It's beautiful. All right, let's give it a try. So the batch recipe I got down below made about 70 of these. So be ready to have a lot of them. We filled like 2.5 cookie sheets worth. Let's give us a try right now. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, it's so much in here. It's like a little bomb. Oh. It's almost like you bought this professionally. It was so easy, guys. It's so good. It's so chocolatey. I'm going to give the rest of that one to my wife because if I ate the whole thing, I'm going to blow up again. Anyway, there you go. Tammy's coworkers are going to love these. Great quick treat for the holidays, for New Year's Eve, for Christmas, whatever. So I will see you on the next episode. And if I see another TikTok recipe that turns me on and excites me, I'll bring it to you, okay? I love you guys. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.